Everybody, the sun is going down at the campground, and tonight I'm going to show you how I get the van ready for the evening when we're ready to close up for the night. I start by, if the weather's nice of course, I put up my mosquito net just because Wynston and I like to have some fresh air. The windows are down, yeah, but the mosquito net allows us a lot of really fresh airflow. I also like to put up my lights on my trunk at night, just because they're really pretty and then everybody can see them. And I like it. I'm at a campground, so I'm not worried about like drawing attention to myself with the lights. So I do put them up at campgrounds because I really like to personalize my space too. I put up my curtains for the night in my windows and in my van. So I'm just all set. I like to get there's Wynston hanging out in his bed. I like to get curtains up while it's still light out, just so I'm prepared because, I mean, the sun's going to go down in about 30 minutes, so I just want to be ready. I make sure that I have water for the night and everything I need, lotion, chapstick out. I have my new light right there that I'm going to be testing out on this trip that I'm excited about. But my blankets and everything are all set, so I am ready to basically close up for the night. I mean, it doesn't take much, just putting up the curtains and securing everything. I don't really have anything super valuable outside, but I'm not worried about it because I'm at a really safe campground. Before I go in for the night too, I make sure that Winston's pottied, I go to the bathroom, and everything is closed up for the night. So as soon as the sun goes down, we'll get in the van and I'll start working and get some work done, and then probably crash early tonight because I'm always asleep early when I'm on the road or when we're camping. So thank you for tuning in, everybody. As always, I appreciate your support. Please throw a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I have a lot of really short, informative, very helpful videos for you. And I plan on sharing a lot of incredible upcoming content. Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon.